Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay, when?
How about 10:30 p.m.?
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Oh, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
That's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
Okay, that's fine.
Alright, see you then.
Okay, see you. Mary, would you like something to eat with me?
Maria, urashaka gusangira nanjye icyo kurya?
Okay, when?
Yego, ryari?
At 10 o'clock.
Saa yine zuzuye.
10 in the morning?
Saa yine za mu gitondo se?
No, at night.
Oya, z'ijoro.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Unyihanganire naba natinze cyane kuko ubusanzwe njya kuryama nijoro saa yine zuzuye.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
Sawa, none se saa saba n'igice yo?
That's too early. I'll still be at work.
Haba hakiri kare cyane nzaba nkiri mu kazi.
How about 5 p.m.?
Naho se saa 11 z'umugoroba?
That's fine.
Iyo ni nziza.
Okay, see you then.
Sawa, tuzabona nicyo gihe.
Alright, bye.
Ni byiza, urabeho.